Hi, my name's David Foss with MarineMax based out of Wakefield, Rhode Island and Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on the beautiful Aviara 32. This is a boat built by Mastercraft. It's their luxury day boat brand, brought to you by MarineMax and Aviara boats. The 32 Aviara is available in Mercury Outboard twin engines or Ilmore racing engines. All come standard with joystick piloting. Let's take a quick walkthrough on this beautiful boat. Let's do a quick run around. You can see the enormous hardtop. This is a navy blue colored boat with the boot stripe that's white. There's a signature swoosh stripe from Aviara. Moving inside our Aviara 32, I want to point out one of the truly unique features from Aviara. This aft sun pad is convertible. There's 1, 2, 3 bar stool seats that are on a gas assist strut, and I'll show you how those work in a minute. There's also these ratcheting backrests. So this big sun pad cushion not only serves as a spot to lay out while you're at anchor hanging out, but also it converts into a full seating sun pad for up to 6 people. Coming around here, see I'll reach in, there's a little lever, and you have a nice gas assist bar stool, and then the back ratchets up as well. This goes all the way across the back of the boat and gives you great seating for up to 6 people. Look at all of this space here. You've got a large 2-seater captain's chair, big wraparound couch here. Moving around to our beautiful sun pad, coming over to the little entertainment center here. This is a truly unique concept as well. You can flip this guy up. You've got a freshwater sink with bottle holders. This counter flips up for a catch-all. Huge storage space underneath. Point out some of the finer features on the Aviara. Look at this sea deck. The pattern is unique to Aviara. It goes throughout the entire boat. Coming in, looking up at this enormous hardtop for plenty of sun cover. But you also have, what you see is these big speakers in the hardtop by Clip Switch. This boat has one of the best sound systems in the industry, and we're going to get into this Helm. You'll notice the Italian steering wheel. You have 3 screen displays with your SIMRAD, your Mercury vessel view, and then also your full control pad for your Aviara, controlling all your pumps and lights and stereo equipment. And then notice on here, you have standard joystick piloting. The Aviara 32 has a well-equipped head. This is a large space. I'm just under 6 feet. I can stand up tall in here. You have a freshwater sink, full toilet, goes in a separate holding tank with lots of storage. This door is actually held by magnet, so it doesn't bounce around on you while you're underway. It's all gasketed and close away in that nice hard shell. Let's move into the bow of this Aviara, one of my favorite spaces on this boat. You'll notice there is a wind dam door that folds out, and then the windshield folds over as well. Gives you a little separation. You want to put the kids up front, or maybe the adults want to get away up front as well, but also serves as wind protection for when you're hanging out at the helm and in the cockpit space. Moving forward, look at all this beautiful seating. I love this navy blue cool feel vinyl. All of the Aviara vinyls are what they call cool feel. Even if the color of the vinyl is a darker color, it reflects the sunlight and doesn't get hot. They're very comfortable, very cushy, very high quality cushions up here. But as I'm walking through, you also notice how deep this is. You have more speakers, more cup holders. I'm gonna sit down, and as I'm sitting down, you can just see how much space is up here. It's a beautiful bow area. And getting into the front locker, you'll get a good look at the anchor windlass. You have controls here at the bow for the anchor windlass and also at the helm. Makes life very easy. Again, we're just going to do one last swing through here on this beautiful Aviara 32. This boat is located at MarineMax, which is at the Silver Spring Marina here in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Again, my name is David Foss. If you'd love to come see this vessel, which is great for entertaining, great for bringing the family and friends out, this boat has a capability to go to Newport, Block Island, Martha's Vineyard. It's a 32-foot Aviara with twin 300 horsepower Mercury outboard engines. This boat is available to view. You could call me My direct line is 860-661-4956. Come down and check out this beautiful boat at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Thank you so much.